Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Just a real quick garden update. To be honest, kind of lost interest in it. I did get a bunch of tomatoes, and you can see this little caterpillar right here chomping on everything. Got an organic, Dr. Earth organic bug spray. It really doesn't work, and it smells horrible. It makes the whole yard smell bad. I can smell it out front. So that was a real big turn off. I did get a few small peppers, but nothing to brag about. The bugs basically destroyed my Brussels sprouts. They even ate the little Brussels sprouts off. My beans, I didn't really even bother picking them. I did get a bunch of them, but Blue Dog was coming out here and he'd eat them, so I just let them go. The kale, as you can see, the bugs just ate it up. I got tired of wasting time and money and having to smell that. So what I'll probably do, due to the fact that I can drive pretty much 5 miles in direction and get fresh vegetables from local growers, it's cheaper for me just to go out and buy the vegetables from local growers. I might do a tomato plant next year. The tire garden worked great for the tomato plant. I might just stick that out front. That way I can put whatever chemicals I want on it and not have to worry about blue chewing on it. And it'll be closer to my water supply, so I won't have to run a hose. Okay, like I said, do not use that Dr. Earth. It's horrible. It's worthless. You're wasting your money. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.